What is a triple net lease? So a triple net lease is a lease structure where the tenant pays the property taxes, they pay the maintenance, and they also pay the property insurance. So those are the three nets that the landlord does not pay. So you'll see a lot of different lease structures out there. There's single net, double net, triple net, gross leases, all comes with pluses and minuses. At a setup like this is a triple net office. So you'll have a normal rent per square foot contract, and then you'll also have what are called CAM fees, common area maintenance fees, which would include this grass area here, the contract to get snow and ice removal in the winter, all of the landscaping, all of the touch-ups, all of that stuff is covered again in those CAM fees. So comment down below if you guys are interested in learning more, but the triple net lease structure is a very common commercial real estate structure, and this is what an example right here in Greentown, Indiana. So again, the tenant is actually paying for everything excluding parking lot work and roof work. The roof and the parking lot, more of the exterior maintenance, is still on the landlord. All other expenses are on the tenant.